Yo, what is up guys? Jiggle Scaly here, posting YouTube for the first time. I will be showcasing the 22LR Ruger. You can see it's AP. You will most likely never see me use FMJ because I mostly main AP. But yeah, if you'd like more videos like this, don't mind me asking, but if you may, like and hit that subscribe so you can get updated for more videos like this. And make sure you turn on notification too. Let's get into it. Boom. So we got in raid with the 22LR Ruger. I sound weird for saying that, but I don't care. Not a bad spawn actually. Scrapyard. I'm not sure what else to call it really. Oh, sorry little dude, but well, this isn't even little. Okay, I'll take that. This is not little compared to the 22LR. So I don't know what I'm talking about. The what, bro? I'm not nading this video. Yeah. I'm showcasing the Ruger, dude. It's gonna be every utility. What the hell? But yeah, Susan bit me. So, it's likely either way we go, we might end up getting dropped or killed. So what I'm thinking of doing is flanking here and going up on the rock, King Hill Rock. Maybe if we can, I'd like to get up on Churchill. That was weird. Alright, let's use this thing. I think someone's already in not radio, it is research or freaking labs. So if you were to ever hear like a fan ambience, it would lead to that someone is already sadly ahead of you and already in there. As it will make some little noise, weird, but yeah. That might be a guy with the purple. He's probably scared for his life right now. I basically just suppressed him down. That guy looked mid-kit, so I think we're gonna have to showcase the M4 for now, because I believe if I'm right, we probably most likely won't get a kill with it. The Ruger, because the small. But actually, we should hit headshots if we can. Frame's really that good. Let's use it. Boop! There goes one mid kit. Nice, dude. What do you have? G3? Oh crap! Damn it! There's always another one! Okay, sorry to end the video like this. It is late for me. I have to go to bed because I have school tomorrow. After that, I can post all I want because it's gonna be Friday. But sorry for this outro, but I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.